Welcome to my YouTube video. This is a short, informative video on how to use rice water on your hair for fast hair growth and long, strong hair. What is rice water? Rice water is the starchy water that's left over after soaking or boiling rice. It's been used for centuries in East Asia as a natural hair treatment to promote strong and healthy hair. Rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish the hair and scalp, which promotes hair growth and helps repair damaged hair. Rice water has many benefits for helping to increase hair strength and seeing rapid hair growth, as it can improve hair elasticity, which can reduce hair breakage and increase hair volume in time. Rice water includes the following vitamins and minerals to benefit your hair health. It includes inositol, a carbohydrate that strengthens hair and promotes hair growth. Amino acids. These are the building blocks of proteins that help repair damaged hair and improve hair elasticity. Vitamins E and B. These vitamins nourish the hair and scalp and increase hair volume. Magnesium, a mineral that helps prevent hair loss and promotes hair growth. Zinc, a mineral that helps to maintain hair health and prevents dandruff. Iron, a mineral that helps prevent hair loss and also promotes hair growth. So as you can see, rice water is packed full of everything that your hair needs to be healthy, thick, full, and luscious. Making rice water is easy and only requires a few simple steps. You can use white or brown rice to make the rice water, whichever you prefer. I use just regular white rice. Firstly, rinse the rice thoroughly to remove any impurities. Secondly, once rinsed off fully, place the rice in a bowl and add water. Let it soak for around 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. For best results, however, you can do more than 30 minutes and instead leave the rice water to soak overnight or even a day or two for optimal results. Just remember to add a lemon or lime rind, the skin of the lemon, to the rice soaked bowl, as rice water can be a little smelly. The fruit rind helps combat the smell, or you could also add a couple of drops of essential oil to it. If you don't have time for the long rice bowl soak, then the 30-minute rice bowl soak will do. Finally, strain the rice from the bowl and keep the water. The water is what you will need. This is the rice water. To use rice water for your hair growth, start by wetting your hair with tap water first. Perhaps stand in the shower or bathtub so you don't make a mess. Then apply the rice water you have strained from the rice bowl soak and apply to your scalp and hair all over. Get both the ends of your hair and make sure you get your scalp completely soaked by the rice water. Rub it in with your fingertips, massaging it in well. Get all the front parts of your scalp also and by the ears, etc. Leave the rice water on your hair for at least 15 minutes or up to 1 hour, depending on hair thickness. You can put a clear shower cap over your head if you like, or just shake off the excess water and put your hair up in a wet bun and let it sit for a bit. Then, when the time is up, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. You can follow up with a mild, light shampoo and conditioner if you feel you need it, but it's better if you only rinse off and then shampoo the following day instead. Don't overuse the rice water, as too much of the rice protein can dry out the hair, especially thin hair. So this is a once a month kind of treatment. Adjust for personal hair type and thickness. Rice water can be used for all hair types. It can take several weeks or even months to see results. As with all hair growth helpers, that is because you don't grow a full head of hair overnight, so be patient with it. Many people who have used rice water for hair growth report seeing shinier, healthier looking hair and increased growth over time. Of course, results can vary based upon the individual person, their overall health, age, and their hair type and thickness. In addition to promoting hair growth, rice water can also help to improve hair elasticity, reduce hair breakage, and prevent split ends. Some people also find that using rice water on their hair helps to soothe an itchy or irritated scalp, as well as reduce dandruff. So a word of warning on overuse. Leaving the rice water on your hair for too long or overusing it can lead to protein overload, which may cause hair breakage or damage if used excessively, which is not what you want. So as with all things, take caution, start with just once a month. If your hair is thicker or needs more treatment, then perhaps you can go to once a week, but once a week may be too much for some people. Experiment with which routine works best for you. For example, maybe you do the rice water treatment for 3 weeks in a row, then you stop, wait 4 months, and then do the rice water treatment again for another 3 weeks. You'll have to see what works best for you and back off usage if your hair gets too dry. It is important that you rinse the rice water thoroughly out of your hair when done, and use a nice, deep conditioning treatment afterwards. With all the goodness and nutrients in the rice water, it can work wonders as part of your hair care routine, and has many positive hair growth benefits as stated prior. So figure out what your hair can handle, for example once a month, and then make it a regular part of your hair care routine with a deep conditioning at the end. In a few months' time, you may see dramatic improved results with the overall quality of your hair health and hair growth. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. I hope you found some interesting points that will work for you, and if you found this helpful, please consider giving me a like, as that will really help me out, and subscribe for more content.